And we're on. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today, I just wanted to talk about using operating systems on an M1 MacBook Pro. Now, I am not really hold on, what's going on? And I'm using the macOS macOS Monterey version 12.1, and it's the 13-inch M1 2020 MacBook Pro that I just got. It has 8 gigabytes of memory, which is base, and a 256 gig SSD, which is fine for me. I don't need everything. So, yeah, this one includes the touch bar, just so you know. Most people don't like it, but I do. Now, so what I use to run these operating systems in a virtual machine is called UTM for Mac. And it lets you run Windows, Mac OS, not Mac OS. You can run Windows and all these other operating systems like BSD. You can run really any operating system that supports an ARM architecture in a virtual machine. So if we get out of this, and let's just go into here, and we're going to click my virtual machine. And I actually installed Ubuntu Server, but I installed the Ubuntu desktop using test cell. And unless you choose from a lot of desktop environments, it's really anything, honestly. And you don't have to use Linux. You can use Windows. It's not that hard. You can use Windows 7. You can use really any version of Windows, as long as it works. I'm not sure how to do certain things on this yet, but all I know is Ubuntu works on here for sure with the ARM version of the server, but you have to install the desktop. All you have to really do is you do sudo, I don't know, test cell install Ubuntu desktop, and that will install that, but I already have it installed, of course. And this is the 20.04.3 LTS version, the AA Arch 64, using the GNOME terminal. You can also do, let's just say, Terminator, which I think is just another terminal application. So if we Terminator, I think you could do that, and it is another terminal interface, basically. And go into here. I think it should be right there. So if you want to get into root privileges, of course, you got to do sudo su root, and you type in your regular password, and it'll let you go into root. And then what you can do is just do sudo whatever thing. It will let you do everything. Let's just do nano document, I guess. And you just type whatever you want. Let's just say that, and we just click Control X, yes, and just do that, and you ls into this, and you have documents as one of your documents. I'm not sure it'll show in here. Let's check. It will show document and properties. It is just a plain text document. You can use text editor, Vim, or anything you really want. So yeah, if we just exit out of here and then exit again, you have that. Firefox comes pre-installed when you install the GNOME desktop, but I like Chromium. And on macOS, I like using Google Chrome, of course, because it's nice. And let's just check out the discs. I'm not sure what, we have a 43 gig disk, and we're using, I'm not sure, we have, what? I'm not sure, it's 43 gigs, I'm not sure if it's, like, all of this, I'm not sure, dev slash NVMe 0N1P1 is the main QEMU NVMe drive. The CD drive, you can do anything with it, really. Same thing. All you have to do is click right here, and you can click that. And, yeah, that's what you could do, basically, with, that. You could do anything you like. If you want to do, let's just say sudo apt install snapd, type in your password, and if you want to do sudo snap install snap store, do that command, and it basically gives you an app store for this, and it's really, really good because they have most of the software you can get on Ubuntu in the Snap Store, including video editors. Anything really you need will be most likely in the Snap Store. And that is pretty easy. That's the only two commands you need to do is sudo apt install snapd, but it should be pre-installed by default, most likely. But if you want to install the Snap Store, you do sudo snap install -snap store, well, I mean space snap -store, yeah, right here. Oh, okay, this thing right here, I can't highlight it, but right here, that's all you need to install that. And then if we go into, let's just press the command option, the snap, yeah, the sudo reboot, but yeah, you might have the sudo reboot to do that, but once you reboot, it should be right there in your applications bar, or not a bar, just, I'm not sure what it's called, but by default, the Ubuntu software is the basic thing you'll get. It's basically the same thing as the Snap Store. Yeah, it's almost exactly the same. But I'm not sure if it's just a separate thing. Wait, Ubuntu software. Oh, I think it is based on the Snap Store. That's pretty cool. You have, this is basic stuff. You can't remove some things like the software updater or Snap Store. Oh wait, look at that. Oh wait, it doesn't work. Okay, whatever. So that's basically it. That's all the basic stuff you get. But I feel like that's it. I can't talk anymore. Okay. So that's really it. That's all you really need to start off with Linux in a virtual machine on an M1 Mac. That's all. And it's very simple. You can install really important things that might be important for you if you need something that is not Mac. I don't know, if you just want a different operating system to test out. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will probably see you next time. Bye!